guys, and welcome back to another vlog. This is going to be a cleaning vlog. So basically what happened, this is very unusual. My dad went to Asda and some 5 school girls threw an egg at my dad's car. I will show you it at the end of the video because I took a picture of it when I saw it. So guys, hope you enjoy and let's watch my dad's car. That's one bucket done, so that's one side done. Now I'm going to do the whole car. For some reason our hose broke for something, so I have to use this bucket now. I got rats and ants all over my now. So guys, yeah, that was hard to put this bucket up. I had to pour half the bucket out. It was too heavy. So guys, right now you just saw the bonnet being washed, the back being washed, and the other side being washed. Jeez, them boxes were heavy. So, but now, guys, if you're using instructions from me now, first you need to wash your car with the bucket, plain water, all over your car, any water, and then you need to get this, when you go to a car wash to do that shampoo thing, the white thing that goes on the car, you need to get that, get a bucket of warm water, squirt it in, mix it, get a sponge, like squirt it in, or like a wipe that I've got, and then just rub all of it on the car. And then what you do is you get another plain bucket of water, throw it on, which is hard. This is not hard for you if you're watching. And then if you want to dry it, you can dry it, but I'm not going to dry mine. It's just going to wash off. Okay? So guys, my bucket's filled up, and now we're going to wash the car. You need your shampoo, which is this. It's called this. Wax and wash, okay? You don't have to get this exact one, but something to do with shampoo. So you open it up. Never drink this, is poisonous. Then put this in. I don't know how much. I'm just going to put that much in and then see what happens. So then shut the lid, mix it. I'm going to mix it up now. So I think you wait for it to set. Wait for it to set for a bit and then see what happens. See you in a few minutes. So guys, what I'm doing now, so basically I got a cricket wicket. I didn't have any stirrers, so I had to get this. So keep on stirring it until all the shampoo is gone and it's all into bubbles. And then you can get your thing you're gonna do with a wipe or a sponge, and then you can start washing. And right now, what you do, you get your car, this is what I've got. You get your bucket of water, you dip it in it. Get all of it out, and then you have a wet one. But then you squeeze it out, squeeze all the water out. Make sure you just squeeze the shampoo out. So you see the shampoo there. Make sure that stays in. So now what you do is you clean the car. Now guys, you're gonna see me clean the car. I'm just washing the windows now and the bonnet. You need to get all the dirty marks. This is the practice. You see, watch my dad's car after I've washed it. So basically get all inside. You need to get all the inside out and then do it again on all the sides. Bonnet, boot and sides. Let's do this now. Guys, right now I've got the hose working right now, so now I'm going to show you how to clean the car. So first you need to get it on this mode, not this mode, not this mode, and not this mode, just this mode, okay? Oh, the camera's got a bit wet then. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoy and let's wash my dad's car. just saw my feet. I got water in it. I got Yeezys on. I don't know why I got Yeezys on this weather. So guys, that was one side. Now I'm going to do the whole side. So guys, hope you enjoy. And the next bit is going to be where I show you my dad's car. So guys, let's see. Guys, as you just saw then, I just washed my dad's car. And now I'm going to roll the cinematics. So guys, as you just saw then, you saw the car super clean from dirty now to white as teeth. So guys, hope you enjoy, hope you get my instructions, and if your car's like this, smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. Post my notification to remember every single video I post out. Thanks for watching and thank you.